Now, here's the other story that Rishika and I brought you this morning. Our editor of Strategic Affairs broke it first. Defence Minister Arun Jaitley has sought an explanation from the Defence Secretary of the country, R.K. Mathur, on a very embarrassing affidavit filed in the Supreme Court on the 2nd of June against its very own Minister of State and former Army Chief, General V.K. Singh. The Defence Ministry affidavit had called General V.K. Singh's earlier disciplinary ban on the current Army Chief Designate, Lieutenant General Dalbir Suhag, who was at that time all set to become the Eastern Army Commander. They've called it illegal and suggested it was malified. In effect, you've got the Ministry of Defence of the BJP government saying that the actions of one of its current ministers was illegal and malified. General V.K. Singh, former Chief of Army Staff and present Minister of State for the Northeast and External Affairs, had hit out at the MOD.
Well, Arun Jaitley has asked the Defence Secretary to find out who wrote and cleared that affidavit. Shiv, this is kind of an embarrassing position for the minister.
Very embarrassing. In fact, General V.K. Singh has taken to Twitter to speak his mind out on what really is going on. But at the end of the day, what could this mean? If unit kills innocents, does dacoity, and then head of organization tries to protect them, should he not be blamed? Criminals should go free, is what General V.K. Singh has tweeted. He has also said, MOD affidavit same as it gave to Armed Forces Tribunal under protective and conniving UPA. So what is new, folks? All who got carried away by Singhvi's tirade, he has basically said that this is all a conspiracy under the UPA government, and he has nothing to say about what this could mean as far as factionalism within the Ministry of Defence is concerned, because the public perception is this is a self-goal. You've got a part-time defence minister who perhaps simply missed this extremely crucial file. The implications of that, of course, are enormously serious. Gaurav Sawant, editor of Strategic Affairs, is with us on this. Gaurav, General V.K. Singh has put out 3 tweets on this particular issue, but he's not said anything specific. You've been speaking to your sources, you've been in touch with him as well. What's going through the General's mind on this very embarrassing, very serious issue, Gaurav?
General V.K. Singh has refused to comment on this issue at all. What sources close to the General are telling us that, he's concentrating on the Ministry of Northeast Affairs and the Ministry of External Affairs as the task that's given out to him. But he's upset, we are told by our sources, by what Ministry of Defence has put out, by sections, as he's put it in his tweet, of the UPA lobby within the Ministry of Defence,
yes,
who are out to humiliate him and to humiliate the current dispensation. And what sources are telling me, this is what Defence Minister Arun Jaitley is also extremely upset about. Now, he's concentrating on the Finance Ministry and on the upcoming budget, and this is where this affidavit went through. This was the same affidavit which was filed in the Armed Forces Tribunal under the UPA dispensation. Now he wants to know who cleared this affidavit to go in the Supreme Court, whether it just went through Colonel M.S. Legal and JAG branch, or did the Minister of Defence sign off on it. All of this will be clear later in the day, Shiv.
Gaurav, apart from the Defence Minister Arun Jaitley seeking an explanation from the Defence Secretary, do you know if there is any other effort within the party and within the government to mollify General V.K. Singh at this time?
From what sources are telling us, the government is concentrating on the task ahead. It will take some time for the government to consolidate its hold on the system and to get its message across. That is the impression that we are given at this point of time.
Yes.
The fact that this affidavit went through goes on to indicate that there are lobbies within the government that are operating. And Rishika and Shiv, these are the lobbies that sources tell us that need to be checked. There is also a major inquiry that sources tell us that is about to be initiated into the functioning of Army's Judge Advocate General branch and the kind of affidavits that are being filed, not just in this case, but a series of other cases that are now being put up, according to my sources, to Arun Jaitley, the Raksha Mantri, who also happens to be a lawyer himself and has a legal bent of mind. So there is a major scrutiny, I'm told, that will be taken into Army's legal affairs now.